Hi YouTube, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I do really appreciate every single one of you guys. If you're new here, welcome to the community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave out of this channel. And if you're a holding but a goodie subscriber, thank you so very much. I was checking my comments and one of you guys asked how to style a satin pants. If you guys remember I think my first Fashionnova haul on this channel, which is my very first video on this channel, I had this satin pants over here and somebody had asked if I could style it. So I will do my possible best and put some things together and style it for you guys and see how we go. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and I like the fact that the pant is pretty long, so and it could take heels and all that good stuff. So I will be styling these pants in at least maybe 3 different ways. So for you guys, if not 3, maybe 4 different ways. So yeah, so if you want to see how I style these beautiful satin pants from Fashionnova, and keep on watching. This is the first look over here. This bodysuit, it's from Fashionnova. Also, I've had this for years and years. I actually have 2 of it. I have it in black and I have it in the blue color that you guys see on me right now. So yeah, I had this bodysuit and I put on the pants right here also with it, with a nice heel from Steve Madden. This heel is everything. It is so, let me see. It is such, oops, and down I go. It is this heel over here, right over here. It is really cute right there. So I paired it like this. And I paired this with my Target purse that I got. It is a really cute outfit. This kind of outfit you could wear it to a wedding, to a birthday party, but I think a wedding would be more appropriate for this kind of outfit. I think it looks really cute and it looks really chic, really glam. Also, your hair, you could put it up in a bun and do like a nice bun on top of it, and cute. I think this is really cute with a nice red lips. I'm just putting on lip gloss right now. So yeah, so cute. Nice little dainty necklace and some simple little accessory that I added with it. I think this is really cute. This is really nice. And yeah, this is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. I'm not sure if Fashionnova still have this bodysuits. Guys, this bodysuit is so cute. This is what it actually look like. It is so gorgeous. Oh, these tints, I always hate them. So gorgeous, so cute, and so nice. It is 2 layered on top of it. And yeah, this is what the body actually look like under it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So cute and so nice. I think this pant is really classy and really nice. It is also from Fashionnova, like I told you guys. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the next style. The way I'm going to wear this pant is with this shirt right over here from H&M. It's like a jacquard shirt with a nice poofy shoulder. Really nice, really cute, guys. Really classy. It is from H&M. This is what it does look like. Really cute. It has a hint of like maybe purple in it, but you can't really see it. But this is what this one is looking like. I did also pair it with the same satin pants. Also went ahead and paired with my Eagle Mule sandal over here and my Meshka bag, which is this little nice purse over here. This is also cute and so classy and so chic. Guys, I'm just putting this on as I go. It wasn't planned or anything. So I'm really liking it. It's another beautiful wedding kind of outfit that you could wear to a wedding or work function or something like that. It is really cute. This is what the back is looking like. I really like this. This one is like showing everything. Your boom boom is out and stuff. This has a zipper up here. The shirt has no single stretch to it. No stretch whatsoever. So I say stay your size or go a size up. But yeah, this is what this one is looking like. Nothing much, nothing serious to talk about it. But yeah, I still kept the accessory pretty simple, pretty nice. And yeah, really liking it. Okay guys, this is another way where I will start this satin pants right over here. It is this bodysuit from from Fashionnova, and my blazer, it's been a minute since I had this. This is from Marshall or TJ Maxx. It is Cynthia Rowley. I've had it for a good minute. And also the same pair satin pants from Fashionnova. I also paired it with this shoe. I think it's Gianni from Dillard's. This yellow shoe from Dillard's, and my Michael Kors bag. Hope you got this for me for my birthday. Love you, baby. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. I think this is the most sexy of all the styling that I just did for you guys. I really like this one. This is giving me life. It's giving me sexy. It's giving me, come on, let's go. You can wear this. So I think you can wear this to a wedding. I'm sorry, I'll wear this to a wedding. So I'll wear this to a birthday party. I'll wear this to a luncheon. I'll wear this to couple of places. I am wearing my my blazer off the shoulder. If you want to wear it all together, if you don't want to wear it off the shoulder, then you could go out. All right, so I went ahead and I put the jacket on all the way, put my hands in it, but I think I love it with it just being on my shoulder. This is, guys, this right here with the color combination black, yellow, and white. Ooh, this is giving me life. I really like it. I think I'm gonna go back and put it off the shoulder. So yeah, we are back to off the shoulder. That's ooh. I love this. I am so in love with the way everything came out. Everything is looking. What do you guys think? Don't forget to go in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite way which is your favorite way I styled the whole outfit? I got one last one and that's it. This is the last one right here. This is a blazer dress right over here that I paired with the same pair of pants, and I have me my pump on it. This pump is from ASOS. Okay, come on. This pump is from ASOS. This is what it looks like. So yeah, and I paired it with my another Bagla Mishka purse that I have. It looks like this, nice little studded with the gold and black chain on it. As you guys know, I kept the accessories the same throughout the whole video. So yes, this is what this one is looking like. I really like this one also. I really like this one. Really nice, really chic. The blazer dress is from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah, I love them all. For real, they're really cute. I didn't even know I could do this, but oh well, like I told you guys, I was just going with the flow. Whatever I think it could go together, I put it together. This is a really nice outfit also you could wear to a wedding, to an event, to anything. I think it will look, graduation, whatever. This outfit right here will make you stand out among every other. This is cute. Real nice. guys, that brings us to the end of this styling video. I hope you guys enjoyed the way I put everything together. Like I said in the video, I just went with the flow. It wasn't something planned or anything. I just took the pants and I go into my closet and I see what will go with it or what won't go with it. So yeah, that's how I put on this styling video. You asked for it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like it. I hope you'll share this video with your friends and family so they can come and enjoy what you guys are enjoying also on my channel. So if you like to see more of this video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until next video, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back.